Hi everyone, this is Sambhava Girl again. It's about 4:30 on July 27. I've been working basically from 10 o'clock this morning. As you can see, we've been making lots of progress, but it is not going as fast as I wanted to, but I know it's very hard, so it takes a while to get everything done. Everybody is still working really hard, but they said that they are going to be done by 7 p.m. tonight, so we'll see. I think it's half a done. It's more than half a done right now, so I have no doubt it will be done by 7 this evening. Anyway, I'm very lucky and happy that it has not been rain, because that is not going to be really good, so that's good. But anyway, so I will show you everything when I am done again.